Alright guys, today we're going to show you how an air gun bullet acts underneath water in slow motion. We're going to fire these hollow points by Premier. I don't know, the weight doesn't say. They're made by Crosman, that's all I know. And now we're going to show you the clip from underneath water, and you'll see how the bullet acts. And now we're going to show you how the bullet acts when it ricochets off a stone. Alright, thanks for watching guys. The weapon used in this video is a Crosman Trail XP. It shoots up to 1,500 feet per second with light aluminum bullets or something like that. I don't know. Light bullets at least. And last thing, Allahu Akbar.